Taking care of your lungs is not only essential, but holds the key to overall health and well-being. According to the American Lung Association, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, affects over 16 million people in the United States alone and is the third leading cause of death globally, according to the World Health Organization. The good news is that nature has provided us with a variety of herbs that have been scientifically studied and shown to possess powerful therapeutic properties, specifically beneficial for your lungs and respiratory system. In this video, we're diving into herbs that do wonders for your lungs, making each breath smoother. Stay tuned until the end because there's one particular herb that might just surprise you with its incredible effects. Number 1. Ginseng. Let's begin with the extraordinary herb called ginseng. This ancient herb has been an integral part of traditional Asian medicine for centuries, renowned for its exceptional properties. Ginseng possesses a remarkable ability to combat inflammation, thanks to its potent antioxidant properties. Its benefits extend beyond the lungs, positively impacting various organs and systems throughout the human body. Studies have unveiled its significant benefits for individuals with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. As mentioned earlier, this condition is the third leading cause of death globally. Ginseng can bring improvement with breathing and lung function in individuals with stable COPD, leading to an enhanced quality of life. While it's crucial to acknowledge that there is currently no cure for COPD, incorporating ginseng into traditional medicine and home remedies can alleviate some of its symptoms. As always, it's wise to consult with your doctor before attempting any self-medication to ensure it suits your specific health requirements. Number 2. Elderberry. Also known as Sambucus, elderberry is a plant that has gained popularity in recent years. It is known for its impressive antimicrobial properties, which means it can fight against bacteria, fungi, and viruses. This makes it a valuable natural remedy for boosting the immune system and treating various respiratory issues like colds and infections. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, elderberry contains antioxidants that can help protect the lungs from oxidative stress. Free radicals in the environment, such as air pollution, can cause oxidative stress, which can damage lung tissues and increase the risk of respiratory illness. By consuming elderberry, you can introduce antioxidants into your body that may help protect your lungs from oxidative stress and support overall lung function. One of the common ways to consume elderberry is in the form of cough syrup. By taking 1 dose of elderberry per day, you can give your immune system a much-needed boost. If you're already feeling unwell, you might consider increasing the frequency of your doses, but it's important to consult with your doctor before doing so. Before we proceed to the next surprising herb for healthy lungs, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 3. Osha Root. Osha Root is a remarkable herb known for its positive effects on respiratory health. The roots of this herb contain several components that work together to support your lungs and respiratory system. One of the key benefits of Osha Root is its ability to increase blood circulation specifically to the lungs. This enhanced circulation helps to improve oxygenation throughout your entire body, ensuring that your cells receive the oxygen they need for optimal functioning. In addition to promoting better oxygenation, Osha Root also possesses antihistamine properties. These properties make it effective in soothing sinus infections and other respiratory illnesses. It can help alleviate symptoms such as coughs, sore throats, bronchitis, and even common colds. To incorporate Osha Root into your routine, you can add a few drops of concentrated Osha Root extract to your water or beverage of choice. The extract has numbing effects that can provide relief to irritated tissues in your airways and respiratory tract. Please keep in mind that it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new herbal remedies to your health regimen, especially if you have any existing medical conditions or are taking medications. Number 4. Bergamot. This citrus tree isn't just known for its ability to alleviate stress and anxiety, it also offers respiratory benefits. In the past, the juice of bergamot fruit was used to treat various ailments. However, in recent times, it has taken the form of an essential oil supplement with remarkable medicinal properties. Bergamot essential oil is a treasure trove of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory substances, and antiseptic components. These powerful elements make it a valuable asset for supporting the respiratory system. By incorporating it into aromatherapy practices, it acts as an expectorant, effectively clearing nasal passages, combating congestion, and bringing relief to those who suffer from persistent coughing. By facilitating the removal of mucus and phlegm, bergamot helps eliminate harmful bacteria that can cause lung infections. This, in turn, makes breathing easier and more comfortable. Number 5. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, particularly for respiratory health. The essential oil extracted from eucalyptus leaves contains a compound called cineol, which has been shown to have expectorant and antimicrobial properties. Inhaling eucalyptus oil vapor can help break up mucus and phlegm in the airways, making it easier to clear the respiratory passages. This can provide relief from coughs, congestion, and other respiratory symptoms. But eucalyptus doesn't just have benefits for the upper respiratory tract. Studies have also shown that eucalyptus oil can have positive effects on the lungs themselves. In one study, researchers found that inhaling eucalyptus oil vapor improved lung function in people with COPD. Another study found that eucalyptus oil had a bronchodilating effect, meaning it helped to open up the airways in the lungs. In addition to its respiratory benefits, eucalyptus oil has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This makes it a potentially useful tool for managing chronic respiratory conditions, such as asthma. Its expectorant and antimicrobial properties can help provide relief from respiratory symptoms, while its effects on lung function make it a promising option for those with chronic respiratory conditions. Number 6. Lavender. Lavender, a well-known plant found all over the world, has been used for centuries for its medicinal and religious purposes. Recent studies have discovered that lavender might have benefits for individuals with COPD. One of the reasons lavender could be helpful for COPD is because it contains antioxidants, which can help slow down the progression of the disease. Additionally, the pleasant aroma of lavender has been found to reduce the production of cortisol, a hormone associated with stress. By lowering cortisol levels, lavender may help decrease stress levels. Stress can worsen a symptom called bronchoconstriction in individuals with COPD. This symptom causes the airways to narrow, making it harder to breathe. By reducing stress, lavender could potentially help relax the airways, allowing for easier breathing and better oxygen intake. Number 7. Horehound. The 7th herb on our list is the horehound. It is a leaf that belongs to the mint family and is commonly found in cough drops and cough syrups. Its natural properties act as an expectorant, helping to clear mucus and secretions from the lungs. This makes it beneficial for people with allergies, sinus infections, and chest congestion. Interestingly, some individuals even make their own cough syrup using horehound. They finally chop up the leaves and mix them with alcohol and honey. Number 8. Peppermint. Peppermint is a herb that is native to the Mediterranean region and belongs to the mint family. It has an impressive essential oil that is extracted from its leaves, with many beneficial properties. The main component of peppermint oil is menthol, which is responsible for its refreshing and cooling properties. Menthol has been shown to help relieve sore throats and relax muscles in the airways of the lungs, making it easier to breathe. Additionally, peppermint oil is commonly used in chest rubs to help with congestion. It's important to note that while peppermint oil can be helpful, it should not be used as a substitute for prescribed medications. Always follow medical advice and use peppermint oil as a complementary treatment. Number 9. Astragalus. Lastly, let's talk about astragalus, a herb that's making waves in traditional Chinese medicine. Known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory goodness, astragalus is like a superhero for your immune system. Studies show that the root of astragalus can boost your body's ability to fight infections, making it a great choice to strengthen your defenses. If you're aiming to lower the risk of viruses and bacteria, astragalus is here to help. Additionally, this herb has been used to combat common colds, allergies, and even chronic fatigue. It's like a natural ally for your well-being. Before making it a part of your routine, it's a good idea to talk to a healthcare provider. Thank you for watching, and make sure to watch more amazing videos from our channel.